What it do? What it do? What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, you already know. Don't let it be your last time here. And how do you do that? I don't like when the strap hangs out. I should have it crisscrossed, but I don't. How do you do that? By clicking on the red subscribe button that's on your screen somewhere. Go ahead and do that. And let me tell you what we will be doing in the Veganlicious kitchen today. You see what it is. It's almost that time. Christmas. It's Christmas Eve actually right now. So we're going to be making some delicious, healthy hot chocolate. We don't do the stuff in the packets. That's garbage. We don't do that. So I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, healthy hot chocolate that your family will love. Ready? Let me go grab the ingredients and let's get this started. Let me show you what you're going to need to make this delicious, healthy hot chocolate. First, 2 ingredient oat milk. You see that? Okay. You're going to use also some coconut milk, okay? Full fat coconut milk, okay? You're going to use a chocolate bar. Huge chocolate bar. Vegan, okay? We're going to use some vanilla. We're going to use maple syrup, and we're going to use optional whipped cream, okay? That's all you need. So let's go ahead over to the stove and let's heat this thing up, okay? Okay. So I'm going to break up this chocolate. Let that start to melt. Okay, so I'm letting the chocolate melt, which it's doing now. So I'm going to grab my milk. I'm going to let that melt a little more to make sure everything combines well. Then we're going to add your milk. My chocolate has melted. Add your milk in. Okay, it's melted. I added the almond milk, not the coconut milk. I'm going to add maple syrup in there. Then we're going to add vanilla. Then mix, okay? Let that warm up. Okay, let's add some coconut. I'm putting coconut condensed milk in there, okay? That's a sweet coconut milk, so this is going to taste excellent. You don't have to put the coconut condensed. You can get the regular full-fat coconut milk in the can. Okay, and this looks like it's about done. So we're okay, it's done. So I'm going to pour my chocolate milk into my cup. And I'm going to add my whipped cream in there. Let's add my whipped cream. And there we have it. You'll see? Delicious.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
Creamy hot chocolate. So here's my cup of hot chocolate. It's delicious. The best hot chocolate ever. It's very sweet. I could have cut back on some of the chocolate that I added. But it's delicious. It's the best hot chocolate you can have. Make your family some, and I bet you they'll love it as well. Many blessings to everybody that's watching my video. Hope you have a happy holiday. And enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know, enjoy life, but don't forget to subscribe. One more thing. Go down in the description box and there's info there on how to get my Veganlicious ebook, and also you can buy me a matcha. My Cash App information is there as well. Deuces, Iluvo, and all that good jazz. I'm out. Drink up.